Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your game mode in Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now this can work on all versions, it's just going to differ a little bit in the way it looks in the settings, but essentially it's the same process. Where first of all you're going to go to single player, and then from here you're going to go to create a brand new world, and then from the brand new world you're going to make sure that you allow commands. In the Java or Bedrock edition is going to show allow cheats, so you're going to enable that, which is also going to be under the world settings. Once you make sure that allow commands is on, you go to your world, you can now set it to be survival, and then you just create new world and wait for it to load. And so right here you're in your world, and all you have to do is to press the slash button right here. And so from here you're going to write game mode, and then you're going to choose whatever game mode you would like. So if I want to switch to creative, I'm just going to click creative, and there you go. Now we are switched to creative. So it's just simple commands, and you can search those commands online for Bedrock or Java, but it's very simple. So all you have to do is to make sure that your game and your file supports for commands or cheats. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.